Hi friends, I'm a little bit bare on the makeup because I am going to be doing a tutorial on something else here in a minute, and my hair isn't curled because of the same reason. But I promised you a video that would help you lift your face, make your face look lifted, make you look more youthful, and it's just an optical illusion trick. And I also told you that I came across this purely by accident. It's not something, I don't think, that is a new trick. It's just that I happened upon it in a weird way. So what it is it is faking an eyebrow lift or faking an eye lift. And so your eyes look open, they look more youthful. And when I did this, and I'll tell you how it was such an accident. I have been talking about this little eyebrow trimmer for quite some time and how it is so effective in getting all the way around your eyebrows and making sure you have really just crisp lines and taking out all that hair, because I had a lot of downy and even longer hair right down on the eyelid and then above and way out here, and it was like pulling it down, making the eyebrow kind of come down, because they came down like halfway across this part of my eye. So it didn't look great. Well, I just decided one day that I was going to take this and I was going to just, go over that and take all of that off. And I got a little carried away and I took the tail of my eyebrow off. Well, okay, so of course then I had to go over and take the tail of this one off so they look the same. And I thought, all right, well, I'm just going to let that grow out and, eventually I'll get those hairs back and whatnot. So I was doing my eyebrows. I just went in afterwards doing my eyebrows. This is the Essence Make Me Brow, and I think this is in the Ashy Brown. So I'm just going to do this while we talk. And I was doing my eyebrows and I just go in after because I don't have a tail now, and normally I would just brush in the tail of it too. But what I basically did was I would brush in the product like I am right now on the gel as much as I wanted to. And then of course, you get out here, there's nothing to grab onto, so you can't do it. So then I would just make sure everything was where I wanted to with the eyebrow gel. And then I would just take a pencil, like this is the NYX one, and I think this is Ash Brown as well. And then I would just draw in a little bit longer a tail, because you do want them to be a little bit more pronounced on the tail. You don't necessarily want it to, just blunt off. And that's kind of where I was at. So I decided that instead of coming down, I would just try to go right straight out with it and make sure that I was, giving it a little tail there, but that it was straight out instead of coming down like I normally had them and have had them for years. If you go back and look at my videos at the beginning, I was, going way down the arch there, and it did not look that great. So this is just painting in a little tail there, not super dramatic. I don't want to come out clear into my middle of my temple or anything. And that was it. This is how I was doing my eyebrows, because I've told you before, I'm not a fan of eyebrows. It's just one of those things. Well, so I was getting compliments from you guys. What's different? You're aging backwards. And I'm like, you guys are crazy. Because I don't feel like I'm aging backwards. 57, I'm almost 58. I just was trying to figure out, what are you guys seeing that's different? Well, I was scrolling through Instagram, and there is a makeup artist, and her name is Michelle. I think it's Spieler, something like that. She's really very popular over on Instagram. And everybody was saying the same thing in her comments. You look great, da-da-da, what have you done? And she said, I shaved off the end of my eyebrows, and it gives a look of a lifted brow or a lifted eye, a blepharoplasty, which is when they take that skin out and then they, I was like, that's what it is. Oh my gosh, that is a great tip for a mature woman. And normally we would never shave off our eyebrows, especially since we did that a lot in the 90s. We overplucked, we shaved, we did all the things to make them pencil thin. Well, now we don't want that. We want a more natural looking one. So why in the world would we shave that off? Well, it worked. I was shocked. I was absolutely shocked. So you guys, that's what I did. I used this first and then I just draw in the tail of my brow now, and it seems to make your eyes open straight up. So try it out if you think this is something for you. I'll make sure that I leave the link for the products I used, but this little baby is great because you can use it, you can use it on your mustache too, or your nose hair, whatever you want to. But as far as cleaning up the brows and making them look super crisp, this is the ticket. So give it a try. It might work for you. I don't know. It really seemed to work for me. So thanks for watching today. Quick little tutorial there. Tell me what you think of it down in the comment section, and come back around and see me really soon in my next video. Hope you're all doing well. Goodbye, my friends.